times we choose not to reinvent the wheel. So we find really good content out on the web and we want to use it in Google Classroom. A lot of the slides that I'm seeing are awesome. They are interactive, but kids can't do this on an iPad. So I'm going to show you a workaround that is a little time consuming, but again, you can weigh the time invested in creating from scratch versus modifying. So I'm going to go over to my waffle and go to Jamboard. I already started this project, so you can see it's not perfect. It involves taking screenshots and bringing in images. So this was the original, and what I did was I took a screenshot of the main part, so I'm going to do it with this one. So Shift Command 4, I take a picture of the genres, and then I'm also going to need screenshots of these guys individually so I can drag them. So what I'm going to do here, I created this page, I'm going to go to the second page. To add an image, I have to come here to add image, and then I can select it right from my computer. I just find it easier to drag and drop because I know what I'm looking for. I want this. Once I get this in here, I can enlarge it. Now, keep in mind they can still move this. There's no way that I have found yet to lock things, but it would still work in terms of dragging things over. So I'm going to take a quick minute and get rid of the things front and center that I know I don't need. Okay, that way I can see easier what I'm looking to do. I'm going back to the original, and I'm going to do Shift Command 4 and get realistic fiction. I'm going to Shift Command 4 and get mystery and just buzz down through and get the rest of these. Again, a little time consuming, but at least it'll make this really cool project interactive. Okay, so I have all of the pieces. One at a time, I'm selecting on picture, I'm bringing it in, it brings it in. Now I might decide I want that smaller because I want that to be able to line up to one of the books. Okay, again, I'm ready to put my next picture in. I'm just going to go right down the row here and throw all these in here, resize them, and then the kids can literally drag and drop, which they cannot do on a Google slide on an iPad. So this is one way to reuse some of the really cool drag and drop things that you've purchased and make it work for you. When I go to assign this in Google Classroom, I assign it as an assignment, make a copy for each student.